All right, boys. I am positive you have seen this video by Ecomlifter.
What's good, YouTube? I am pretty fired up right now, okay? So,
I too am pretty fired up. Today, I am going to guide you through my personal method in executing this task. I hope it brings you fortune and great wealth. Let's get started, brother. So we're going to start off by ignoring the distracting pair of honkers on this fit girl. Let's go ahead and find our clip. I just watched a pretty decent basketball game, and I know for a fact that one of the highlights is trending. So, let's go ahead and find our clip. I'm searching Steph Curry in the search bar, and immediately I find the clip I just mentioned. Smooth as Aphrodite so far. Next up, we are going to download the TikTok. You may use the method as described by Ecomlifter. The method is simple. You simply paste the URL into the search bar, then download the MP4. Then it's simply a matter of converting the MP4 to an MOV. Just like Daddy Ecomlifter said. This is easy shit so far, right? For capturing video and audio, I also heavily utilize both Open Broadcast Studio and the YouTube DL fork, YTDLP. These are relatively simple to use, and there are plenty of resources on how to get set up. Now comes either the fun part or the frustrating part. Depending on how creatively predisposed you are, you need to transform the original clip in some way to make it yours. This could be as easy as adding captions. On screen is the video that I uploaded by simply adding a few animated characters pop up on screen, as well as voiceovers. As we can see here, the video has already gained some views. 420 views. Nice. Upon taking a closer view at the Analytics tab, we can see that within the first hour of being uploaded, the short was viewed a total of 284 times. Upon checking once more, we can see that nearly 4 hours after being uploaded, this video was viewed over 1,000 times. Not terribly impressive numbers. However, mind you, this is an account started fresh with 0 subscribers. I sincerely hope that this has helped in some way, shape, or form. All credit to Ecomlifter acting as the proverbial Prometheus and bringing us this forbidden knowledge.
Aye, brother. What a lovely explanation of how to re-upload TikTok videos. We're all just chasing that bag. Except for me. I'm just ahead.
I actually killed Prometheus.
Ah, you did what now?